Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm glad you're here. Okay everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a collab video. Gonz girl Danny invited me and a bunch of other girls to do this superhero collab, and there's a bunch of us. I don't know everybody that's going to be in it, but let's see, I do know a few. So far I know Jessica Paris, MUA, Gonz girl Danny, It's Always Summer, Amy Lynn, Sherry Ward, Salome, Beauty Obsession, Nicole K, H.L. the Great, Emergency Glitz, and I'm sorry if I butchered any of your names. I very much apologize. But so far, those are the only people I know. There might be a few more that I don't know of, but I figured I would go ahead and film mine. And I went ahead and did my base, and my eyes are primed and everything. I just didn't feel like that was necessary to put in. But since I am doing Black Widow, I was already wearing a black shirt and everything, so I figured that I would just go ahead and I'm gonna do the I'm gonna kind of make it look cartoonish, so that's why I already have on a pretty full coverage base. I put Tarte Shape Tape concealer on like I usually do for a regular look, and then I put this on top of it, the Tarte Shape Tape foundation, which is pretty full coverage in my opinion, and I put a lot on, so I kind of wanted a blank slate so I could look fake, I guess you could say. So yeah. Alright guys, so if you're interested in seeing this collab look, then just keep on watching. But before we get into this, go ahead and hit the big red support button down below and the notification bell right next to it. That way you can always be notified of my uploads, which are every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if I do a live, it will usually be on Tuesdays and Thursdays during the week. So come on back to my channel on those days for new content. And please don't forget to check out the other girls. That would be so awesome if you do that and support them as well. Alright guys, let's see me turn into Black Widow. Y'all, so I know I look a little bit crazy. This is definitely I didn't necessarily, as you can tell, I didn't necessarily go with the Scarlett Johansson Black Widow. I just went with the cartoon version of Black Widow, which is very sculpted and over exaggerated, obviously, and even sculpted out my chest a little bit and everything. So I know it's hard for you guys to probably take me seriously right now. So, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please like, share, comment, and support, especially if you're new, because I do upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and if I do a live, it's Tuesdays and Thursdays on a weekly. So come back to my channel on those days for new content, and please go and visit all the girls' channels and everything. They'll be listed below, because I'm not sure who all is doing it, but I did mention the ones who I know of earlier. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Because I know you don't have to. Bye, guys. Okay, everyone, so I know I look a little bit funny right now. I went ahead and did my base. I'm doing a superhero collab with several other girls. Gonz girl Denny kind of made this up and invited a lot of us girls. Alright everyone, so today I'm going to be doing a collab video. It's called the hashtag superhero collab tag, or not. Okay everyone, so today I'm going to be doing the, since I am doing, what am I doing? Hello there.
What's dinner? Making a video?
Yeah.
No sequence of events explaining how you put your makeup on?
How I turn into Black Widow.
The spider that appeared in the character. You know Black Widows eat their mates, so just say.